Hello, and we are here about to make blueberry cheesecake. This is my first time ever baking a cake. How hard could it be? Let's just jump right into it. The ingredients are blueberries, a bunch of cream cheese, gotta have that graham crackers, cane sugar, butter, some sour cream, kosher salt, and some eggs. And we also have flour. And of course, one of the first things that you have to do is preheat your oven to 325 degrees. And now we shall make the puree. Next, you have to cook the puree. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make the crust. So we get about 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And okay, back here. Then we add the sugar. And after we add the sugar, melted butter. Oh, that smells good. Smells like pandesal. Now what we want to do is we want to put it in already. So the main camera died. I guess just gonna use some B-roll or whatever you call it. Now we're gonna be putting the crust into the oven so that the cheesecake batter doesn't seep through when we put it in. Now we'll be making the cheesecake batter with 4 blocks of cheese. And then we'll put the sugar. And then we mix. Mix. Yeah, moving it so you see it better. The advantage of using a mic is that it sounds clearer. I can do proper voiceovers. And then I forgot to tell you guys that the eggs are being put. We want to put them one by one. I don't know why, that's what it says. Oh, now I'm putting the vanilla. As you can see, I get surprised because my spoon hits the whisk twice. So yeah, the whisk goes brrr. Now we will be folding in the other ingredients. So yeah, just mixing it for a while. First we put the flour. One more flour. Who needs to measure?
Apparently I do when I put the sour cream. So yeah. Shout out to my boy Joshua Datu. He was the one who told me to fold in the ingredients. Like his page, it's called Sun Chief. He streams games. So yeah. Now we'll be putting in the puree. And with that, you also fold in. So yeah. I don't exactly know what fold in means, so you can see that I'm just mixing it. And now I am putting it on top of the crust. And see that it's not seeping through because we baked it a bit. And now you put it in the oven. You jiggle it a bit. And you put it in the fridge. And then in the morning, you take it out.
So hey guys, we're back, and it is 8 a.m. I think I let it cool for about 13 hours or more. So let's see. Wow, it's looking very moist. My plan is sort of to make it cheesecake bars. It's super dense. It's just a big old block of cheese. There we have it. Pretty okay. Tastes pretty good. It's really dense. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna put the end pieces in a plastic container, and these will be my snacks. What a breakfast. So yeah, thank you guys all for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the future.